Hey everyone! Welcome back to Spark 2 Fly. If you're looking to stay ahead in 2025 and keep your career on track, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top skills you need to learn in 2025 to stay relevant and boost your personal and professional growth. We'll cover step-by-step guides on mastering each of these essential skills, from artificial intelligence and machine learning, to cybersecurity, digital marketing, financial literacy, data analytics, and project management. Plus, I'll show you real-world examples and practical tips to help you put these skills to use right away. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or just someone interested in expanding your skill set, this video will give you all the details you need to upskill and future-proof your career. So if you're ready to level up and set yourself apart in the digital economy, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let's dive in. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Why it's important. AI and ML are transforming industries across the board, from healthcare and finance to marketing and education. AI models are now more accessible, and knowledge of these technologies will help you leverage them in diverse areas, making you more valuable in the tech job market. Steps to learn. Step 1. Master the basics. Start with understanding core concepts: AI, ML, algorithms, data processing, and basic Python programming. Online platforms like Coursera, Udacity, or YouTube tutorials can be helpful. Step 2. Study data structures and algorithms. Get a solid grasp of data structures, like arrays, linked lists, and trees, and algorithms, searching, sorting, etc. These are critical for understanding how ML models process data. Step 3. Learn Python for data science. Python is essential for AI and ML. Familiarize yourself with Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn, which are commonly used in data manipulation and machine learning tasks. Step 4. Dive into ML concepts. Study supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Work through examples like building a simple model to predict housing prices or customer churn rates. Step 5. Build projects. Start small, create a basic classifier model, or work on datasets from Kaggle. Practical experience with projects will make concepts clearer and enhance your portfolio. Example: you could build a recommendation system for movies, learning how to use collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and hybrid approaches. 2. Cybersecurity. Why it's important. With data breaches on the rise, cybersecurity expertise is in high demand across sectors. Knowledge of cybersecurity can protect organizations, personal data, and help ensure compliance with data protection regulations. Steps to learn. Step 1. Learn basic networking. Start by understanding networking protocols: TCP, IP, HTTP, DNS, etc. Platforms like Cisco's NetAcad offer a strong foundation. Step 2. Study cybersecurity basics. Learn about firewalls, encryption, authentication, and basic cybersecurity threats. For example, phishing, malware, ransomware. Websites like Cybrary or CompTIA offer beginner courses. Step 3. Familiarize yourself with ethical hacking. Study ethical hacking techniques, starting with common tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit. Practical applications like penetration testing labs can help you develop hands-on skills. Step 4. Learn about cloud security. With the rise of cloud computing, cloud security is crucial. Study security protocols for platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Step 5. Get certified. Certifications like CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and CISP can significantly boost your credibility and employability. Example: you could simulate a basic phishing attack for ethical purposes within a controlled environment to understand how these attacks work and how to defend against them. 3. Digital marketing and SEO. Why it's important. As businesses grow online, digital marketing skills like SEO, content marketing, and social media management are vital for brands to reach and retain customers. Steps to learn. Step 1. Study the basics of SEO and content marketing. Learn SEO fundamentals, keyword research, on-page and off-page SEO, and backlinking. Resources like Moz's Beginner's Guide to SEO can be very helpful. Step 2. Familiarize with analytics tools. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console provide insights into website performance and user behavior, which is essential for optimizing content. Step 3. Learn social media marketing. Understand best practices for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, as well as how to use paid ads to increase reach. Step 4. Dive into email marketing and content strategy. Study email marketing strategies, segment audiences, and create content calendars. Explore tools like MailChimp and HubSpot for practical insights. Step 5. Create a project or portfolio. Build a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account to apply your skills. Monitor your analytics. Optimize based on performance, and learn to pivot strategies. Example: you could create a niche blog, optimize content for search engines, and implement a basic social media strategy to grow traffic organically.
4. Financial literacy. Why it's important. Understanding personal finance, investment, and budgeting is essential for long-term stability and wealth creation. Steps to learn. Step 1. Master budgeting and saving. Learn to create a budget, track expenses, and set saving goals. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to assist with financial tracking. Step 2. Understand debt management. Study strategies to manage or pay down debt, including loans, credit cards, and mortgages. Familiarize yourself with interest rates and compound interest. Step 3. Learn the basics of investing: study stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Platforms like Investopedia offer resources to understand investment fundamentals. Step 4. Explore retirement planning. Understand retirement accounts like 401k and IRAs and how compound interest can help grow wealth over time. Step 5. Research tax planning. Familiarize yourself with tax brackets, deductions, and credits to optimize your tax planning.
5. Data analytics. Why it's important. Data analysis is vital for business decision-making. Skills in data analytics open doors to careers in almost every industry, from marketing to healthcare. Steps to learn. Step 1. Master data basics. Learn the fundamentals of data collection, cleaning, and analysis. Knowledge of Excel, SQL, and basic statistics is crucial. Step 2. Learn SQL and database management. SQL is essential for working with databases. Understand how to query, manage, and manipulate data in SQL. Step 3. Study data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Python libraries. Matplotlib, Seaborn, are essential for visualizing data insights. Step 4. Work with real-world data sets. Practice by analyzing data from public datasets, such as those on Kaggle. This experience will help you apply theoretical knowledge practically. Step 5. Build a portfolio of data projects. Create projects like customer segmentation or trend analysis, and include these in your portfolio. Example: you could analyze sales data to determine trends over different seasons, helping a hypothetical business plan inventory accordingly.
Hey, thanks a ton for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Spark2Fly for more amazing content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment on how this video made you feel and what topics you'd like to see next. And stay connected, follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. The links are right there in the description below. Until next time, take care and keep growing. With love and good luck to you all, yours well-wisher and brother Kartik.